In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the date and time format in Outlook. So first of all, go to your mail inbox, and currently here we can see this is my current inbox date and time format. To change it, first of all, go to view and click on current view and click on view settings. Here click on format columns, and now available fields, select received, and then click on this format drop down, and here you will find a bunch of different date and time formats. You can go ahead and select any format from this list, and now you can also change your date and time alignment. Then click on OK, and as you can see, my Outlook email date and time successfully changed. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.